Barcelona and Real Madrid are two of the most successful and popular football clubs in the world. Let's see who is better between Barcelona and Real Madrid. Let's take a quick look at the history of two of the greatest football clubs, Barcelona and Real Madrid, with a focus on their incredible achievements and the number of trophies and titles they have won over the years. La Liga, Real Madrid own 36 titles and Barcelona own 27 titles. UEFA Champions League, Real Madrid own 15 titles and Barcelona own 5 titles. Copa del Rey, Real Madrid own 20 times and Barcelona own 32 times. Spanish Super Cup, Real Madrid own 13 titles and Barcelona own 15 titles. UEFA Super Cup, Real Madrid own 6 titles and Barcelona own 5 titles. FIFA Club World Cup, Real Madrid own 5 titles and Barcelona own 3 titles. Intercontinental Cup, Real Madrid own 4 titles and Barcelona own 0 titles. The history of Barcelona and Real Madrid is written by legends. Let's explore the iconic players who have made each club a symbol of football excellence. Most iconic player, Cristiano Ronaldo for Real Madrid and Lionel Messi for Barcelona. All-time top scorer, Cristiano Ronaldo 450 goals for Real Madrid and Lionel Messi 672 goals for Barcelona. Most appearances, Raúl González 741 matches for Real Madrid and Lionel Messi 778 matches for Barcelona. Ballon d'Or winners, 7 players for Real Madrid and 6 players for Barcelona. Highest paid players, Kylian Mbappe 31.25 million euro for Real Madrid and Robert Lewandowski 33.33 million euro for Barcelona. Highest transfer sale, Cristiano Ronaldo 117 million euro from Real Madrid to Juventus, Neymar 222 million euro from Barcelona to PSG. Let's break down the head-to-head record between Barcelona and Real Madrid and see which club has been more successful in their direct battles. Total official matches 262. Real Madrid own 105 and Barcelona own 105. Draws 52 matches. Real Madrid goals 443 and Barcelona goals 439. Real Madrid biggest win 11-1 and Barcelona biggest win 5-0. Barcelona and Real Madrid are not only icons on the football pitch but also giants on social media. Let's compare their digital influence and online followings. Facebook, 129 million followers for Real Madrid, 119 million followers for Barcelona. TikTok, 60 million followers for Real Madrid, 55.4 million followers for Barcelona. Instagram, 175 million followers for Real Madrid, 140 million followers for Barcelona. Twitter, 52.5 million followers for Real Madrid, 49.9 million followers for Barcelona. YouTube, 17.2 million subscribers for Real Madrid, 22 million subscribers for Barcelona. Let's explore how sponsorships fuel the success of Barcelona and Real Madrid and see which club leads in attracting top global brands. Jersey manufacturer, Adidas for Real Madrid, Nike for Barcelona. Jersey sponsor, Fly Emirates for Real Madrid, and Spotify for Barcelona. Both Barcelona and Real Madrid are billion-dollar brands. Now we compare their financial achievements and club valuations. Club valuation: Real Madrid is 6.6 billion USD and Barcelona is 5.6 billion USD. Revenue in 2023-24 season: Real Madrid is 1.045 billion euro and Barcelona is 760.3 million euro. Now your turn. Who is the best, Barcelona or Real Madrid? Give your comment.